No, I gotta play one of the dudes.
Someone chose her.
That is absolute fucking garbage.
Oh,
Hey,
that's
Black beat
hilarious.
3 bitches. That's crazy. Oh, there's fucking 3 killers. That is absurd.
Damn. That's not good.
Oh man, let's get into it. Nah, look.
Yes,
Yeah,
look
look,
at
you see
us
the
all
killers?
level 0. Except for that one killer. There's only one killer. Actually, no, wait. I see one is maybe Prestige 1? I don't
Let's see
know.
how well this goes, Ryan. Ugh.
Not very. We're gonna get our asses eaten like a casserole.
Oh man, let's get it. Oh fuck.
Huh.
Finding the squadrons.
Yeah, get us in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We gotta unlock the exits.
I'm hanging from the fucking ceiling.
This is not gonna be good.
Oh, I'm making too much noise.
I am too hanging.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's better if you just tap it.
Why was I the only one held upside down? What's this?
Because you're a dude. God damn, look at my ass! I don't know what these controls are. Alright, B is to crouch. I can't see shit.
Get out the fucking way!
Whoa!
What's
Oh, I
happening?
just found a dead body in here.
Oh fuck. Did you not see him at the end of the fucking hallway?
Are you good?
Oh my god.
No?
That's scary.
I do hear someone though.
How the fuck you crouch?
B.
We're escaping. Did you not fucking?
Where the fuck are we
watch
going?
that
What the fuck do we
entire
have to
beginning
do?
panel?
I'm lost. I watched it, but I found
That's
fear.
Requires tools to unlock.
How do I run?
Someone woke up.
Whoa,
Keep still. and
what the
avoid
fuck? Grandpa is awake.
Look at this.
Because Grandpa can fucking.
Wait, why do we have to keep still?
Awful. Just awful.
What is this yellow around my screen?
I should grab that.
Oh, okay. So where are our... Ow! God damn it.
I can use this.
I just got stuck on a bear trap. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, get out there. Under the, what the? I thought that was a normal dude. What the fuck? I think
Are you not behind me?
climb. I have no idea where the fuck I'm going. This map is confusing. I haven't seen anyone.
Please protect us. Please.
How do I want to heal. Sip on some of this juice. I don't know. I'm almost dead. I see someone with some cheeks.
Locked. Come on. There's gotta be a way through.
Just keep your head clear. Eyes open. You can do this.
Oh my god, why does it...
I have no idea what I'm looking for.
That might help.
Oh, wait. Yeah, I see you.
I don't either. Oh, I found Grandpa. I don't know what to do. He's just looking at me. He's wheezing, and
Someone got killed.
I'm right next to two of them. They're feeding Grandpa. Oh my god. I can't do. There's two of them right there.
Where you at? Yeah, I'm witnessing you get murdered.
Oh my
I
god.
witnessed that.
And I'm dead. Right between my titties!
Yeah, I witnessed all that.
There was nothing
We're supposed
I
to-
don't even know what the fuck I'm doing.
I don't know. I was just. In the
I
basement,
don't even know
just
where
got out,
we're
so-
trying to escape out from. I know. I came out. I was like on a farm or something. I found a screwdriver. I have no idea what I was supposed to do
I'm
with
pretty sure
that.
you'd use that to like unlock doors and shit. Yeah, I have no fucking idea where I'm supposed to be going.
Yeah, this map is confusing. I walked up a staircase and there was like 3 different crawl spaces that I could go to. They each led, like, branched off to their own different... It's like, this place is literally like a maze. Watch out for them bones.
I've got to find.
What the fuck you talking about? Find your friends? Fuck them niggas. What is that? What the Apparently.
That man he's using echolocation.
Oh, I see. Yeah, he's chasing something. Oh yeah.
No, they're
Yeah,
not
I
chasing
forgot.
anyone.
There's. Oh.
The other dude is still underground.
Did they? Yeah, I know. They just fucking upgrade Grandpa.
Oh, Grandpa, he evolved?
I don't know.
What was level 2, Grandpa?
Oh my god, I see him.
just wait until Grandpa gets his heart medication.
Fuck, I'm supposed to go.
I don't either. They don't give you a clear indication of
Wait, is that it?
out or in.
Oh fuck.
I feel like it wouldn't.
Oh god. Oh god. Like, I'm David. I'm David.
Oh my
David.
god, he's
Oh,
got
no,
you. Just
no.
one more hit, and you gotta find a crawl
Nope,
space.
nope, don't worry about it. Don't worry.
Over there, over there, over
Yo,
there.
yo,
You
yo,
missed
yo.
it. You missed the spot. Go in there.
What's up? Open? Yeah. I don't know where I'm at. Yep, don't know. Yep.
You should have
back
closed the
in the door.
gate. You should have closed it back.
What's this? Yep, jump on it. Where?
I don't know, but it had
No,
an exit
this is
on it.
Oh! Fuck!
There's
God.
no way it was that simple. Oh, it's right there.
Yes, it fucking did.
Huh.
I'm back in the fucking
God
basement.
damn. Did that take health
What
from
is
you?
this shit? What is
Oh.
this? Oh wait, I found my partner.
That man becomes Jesus Christ himself,
Man, look at this shit. That motherfucker
and he's able to locate all of the sinners.
had me fucking scared as shit. I didn't know what I was doing. Loki, this does just seem like a different Dead by Daylight.
Not Dead by
Yes, but
Daylight,
this-
but Friday
Yeah,
the 13th.
but this one has more killers and shit.
It's like a more compacted version. Yeah, but I don't think that they really have much of a difference between them. And it really
Yeah.
does seem like it's heavily in the favor of killers.
Of course.
Which is obvious. Games like this would do that. Yeah, I saw that they also have different costumes and stuff that you can put on the survivors. There aren't any for the killers by the looks of things, but
Secure the property, feed Grandpa
hey,
blood,
that's a dead armadillo.
collect blood from victims, then execute them. The jizzle,
Oh,
the
yeah.
jiggle physics
Got
did
hooked.
not save her. Oh god. Oh yeah. Yep.
Oh, damn. Should have had more jiggle. Jiggly titties.
I got a knife.
I think I have a fork.
So like, there ain't no indication, nothing. Where the fuck am I supposed to be on? Who?
God damn, what is this leisurely stroll that you're going on about? Me! I'm just over here prancing around. God damn, run faster!
That's what I'm wondering.
Where's Grandpa at? I want to
Oh, is
get
this
this
you?
thing started. Yep. Oh, how's it going?
I don't know
How's it
why I'm
going?
turning this car on. Grandpa, where you at? Gotta give you your meds.
Damn little shoddy. Get your head straight. Come on now.
Fuck all y'all.
Yeah, Johnny, get your head straight.
I got me some blood.
Oh, I got me some
Grandpa
powder. I don't know what I'm doing with it.
What's that? Can I not slip by this? What the fuck?
Damn, your feet are heavy.
What? Why can you,
I
but
can.
I can't?
See ya.
What the fuck? Grandpappy, where you at?
If Grandpa was able,
Oh, goddamn.
over by now. I better go feed him.
Showed her ass and everything.
Oh, here's the well.
Oh, is there someone doing something to the car?
Yeah, let's see. Where's Grandpa? Is Grandpa inside?
I don't know. I don't. Apparently, I'm poisoning a lot of shit though.
What you mean? There's a whole basement.
There's nothing in here. Some powder.
Nobody saves me.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that basement.
You coming down here?
I'm about to. I got some
Oh, I
blood.
found somebody.
I did too.
I wonder if they saw me.
I found. Come on. Why'd I freeze like that? Come over here. I'm gonna get you.
Where are we going?
I could run faster.
Oh my god, he trucked me. What the fuck? What? Oh, is he?
Oh yeah, I see Grandpa. He's inside.
Did you give him the blood?
Not yet.
So I got some blood too, and I'm gonna bring it to him.
God, why can't my character go any faster?
Where are they?
Hey, here, take some
In the
blood.
house?
Yeah.
This motherfucker sounds like a werewolf.
I know. He's right there. It looked like there was someone under.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go down there.
Oh, there's sweet Grandpa.
Hey, what was that noise?
Damn, Ryan, you just gonna leave the gate open?
You ever watch someone die? You ain't never quite the same after
I'm
that.
searching right up. We have an AFK Bubba.
Did you kill him?
That's our teammate.
Darkness. Mm-hmm.
Your little friend put up a better fight than this. Come on! Make it interesting, will you?
I found someone.
Are you not gonna run?
God, why is my fucking character so slow? Nope. Oh, we have another dude that's just
Your
AFK.
teammate?
Nope. It's an enemy. I'm way too slow to catch up to them. I guess my blood foraging skills weren't good enough. He ran this way behind you. Up, yep, I got. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god!
Nice.
Cut his throat. Where's Grandpappy? Where's the staircase? I thought I heard someone.
How the hell did those kids find us? More careful.
Here, Grandpappy. Take some blood.
Yep. Shanked him in the butt, in the fucking gut.
You find someone?
That's it.
Motherfucking executed. Yep.
You kill him?
What's up?
Hey, how's it going?
I was just checking, see if you're
Hey,
good.
hey. Chill out there. Had to make sure you don't bleed. Go up this ladder
Yep,
real
I
quick.
guarantee nothing.
Don't look up my skirt or anything. Like I have my bare ass booty cheeks hanging out.
I'm gonna go give Grandpa some blood.
Let me collect some more blood.
You looking better already. Now help us.
What is there? 2 more people?
Yep. There's some life for you, Grandpa. Let me go back out to the farm. See if there are any vermin. Oh, Grandpa's at level 4? Need a little bit more blood.
Oh, someone escaped.
Where'd they even
Yeah, I have
escape
no
from?
idea.
I can't see shit.
Oh, I see him now.
This is pointless, you know. Quit stalling. Listen now. Everybody's time comes eventually.
They were just sitting out here over here by the exit. Yeah, I see him.
Oh, did they run?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that is a bit difficult.
Yeah, no, there's really
Yeah.
no indicator at all for anything in this game.